In the vast cosmos, we journey through starry voids. Ahead, the firmament appears, a shimmering dome over a luminous earth, focusing on the North Pole's mystical light. Above the North Pole, the aurora borealis swirls, casting radiant ribbons of light across the sky. The aurora's brilliance reflects on the dome, projecting holographic simulations into the air. Sacred geometric patterns ripple outward, showing interconnected ecosystems, linked by golden threads. Human silhouettes appear, their energy fields harmonizing with the aurora. From the North Pole, a radiant golden light pierces the sky, scattering into infinite beams. These beams weave across Earth, linking all life forms. Forests bloom, rivers flow, animals move gracefully, and people engage in kindness. The aurora intensifies, transforming into a shimmering field of energy. The source glows with colors beyond the visible spectrum. In a mother's embrace, we see pure love. Strangers helping each other remind us of our shared humanity. Diverse groups meditate, forming an ethereal glow of unity. Hands touch and dissolve into light, showing interconnectedness. Imagine a glowing field of energy, vibrant colors, and dynamic particles forming sacred geometry. This is oneness. Various traditions name this essence: Om, lotus flower, yin-yang, dreamcatcher, akasha, prana, chi, ether, diverse yet unified cosmic understanding. A seed sprouts, becomes a tree. A flame flickers, grows, transforms. Matter is created, transformed, returns. Energy pulses ripple through the universe, resonating like a heartbeat. We are all cells in the body of oneness. Realize this connection, unlock infinite potential. We are one. The first universal law is the law of unity. It shows us that everything comes from the same source. Everything is connected and encompasses everything. The universe is a single unity, and we are an integrated expression of the whole. Nothing is excluded from this connection. Mankind is interconnected with each other, nature, and the universe. Every thought, word, and deed influences the world around us. This oneness is a field of intelligence that permeates creation. The universe is filled with a substance called the field of consciousness. This substance has many names: akasha, chi, prana, and more. Everything is composed of the same substance. This substance is pure consciousness. Pure consciousness underlies humanity, nature, and animals. It is a source of potential from which everything manifests. Deepak Chopra writes that this source of pure potency is our essence. Knowing our essence allows us to achieve everything we want in life. This source of potential awaits our creation. Everything that arises from this oneness will return to it. This oneness is infinite and not bound by place or time. Everything from this oneness is in constant movement and change. Eternal laws are the basis of these changes and movements. These laws originate from this oneness. Matter is created, manifested, and destroyed, returning to oneness. The mind and matter are not separated. To understand the law of oneness, realize that everything is one. All souls are cells in a body from the same field of consciousness. We are connected to this oneness and everything around us. Energy is not created, it has always existed. It is transformed from this oneness, making it useful to create. The universe is a dynamic, vibrating, and harmonic organism. It consists of many different frequencies, vibrations, photons, waves, energies, and movements.